Let me tell you why most Americans will never become millionaires. It's not because they don't work hard. It's not because they're bad with money. It's because they believe a lie. The lie is, I need a lot of money to start investing. So what do? They wait. I'll start when I make $80,000. I'll start after the car is paid off. I'll start next year. But here's the truth they don't teach you in school. The first $100 you invest changes everything. And today, I'm going to show you why $100 is more powerful than your first $10,000. Stay with me. You heard the story of Ronald Reed, right? Vermont janitor, high school education, drove a used Toyota. When he died in 2014, everyone expected nothing. But he left behind $8 million. How? He didn't win the lottery. He didn't inherit anything. He took small amounts, $50, $100, and bought dividend stocks for decades. His first $100 felt ridiculous, but that $100 was the seed of $8 million. Now, you're not a janitor, probably, but his secret wasn't income. His secret was he started before he felt ready. Let me destroy the wait until I have more excuse with math. Meet Sarah, 22 years old. She invests just $100 in an S&P 500 index fund. Never adds another dollar, ever. Historical average return, 10% pre-inflation. By age 65, that $100 grows to $7,200. That's 72 times her money, without lifting a finger. Now meet Mike. He waits until he's 32. He's responsible, saves $10,000, drops it all in the same fund. By 65, that $10,000 grows to $160,000. Sarah's $100 beat Mike's $10,000 because of time. That's the secret Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Small money plus big time is greater than big money plus late start. But here's what no one talks about. The real power of that first $100 isn't the money. It's who you become. Before you invest, you're a consumer. After you invest, you're an owner. That first $100 buys you a piece of Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon. Now, when you see a new iPhone, you don't think, I want it. You think, I own the company making it. Your identity shifts from spender to builder. And once that switch happens, you don't stop at $100. You find $200, then $500. The first $100 is a Trojan horse. It sneaks the millionaire mindset inside you. So let's make it real. You have $100, or can save it in 2 weeks skipping Starbucks and DoorDash. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, all free. Step 2, don't pick stocks. Buy VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Step 3, set up auto invest, even $20 a month. That's it. Not sexy, not complicated. But 40 years from now, that's a vacation, a car, a down payment. You don't need timing. You don't need luck. You need one thing: the guts to start small. Here's my challenge to you today. Stop watching millionaire videos. Stop reading another book about investing. Open your phone, transfer $100 to a brokerage account. Buy one share of VOO or a similar S&P 500 ETF. That one click, that's not a trade. That's a declaration. I am becoming a millionaire, $100 at a time. The first $100 is awkward, but the second $100 is easier. And the 1,000th $100, that's your freedom. Hit subscribe, because on Build a Millionaire, we don't dream about rich. We become it. Slowly, boringly, beautifully. Your first $100 is waiting. Go own it.